Good morning, guys. The time is 9:22, and we have taken positions in both our accounts. This is the Nifty discretionary account, जहां पे we are sitting on a 15,000 call short and 14,850 and 14,800 put short. So we will be adjusting this position as and when required. अगर market let's say 14,900 के नीचे आता है, then we're gonna shift all these 14,850 puts back to 14,800 puts, and we're gonna stay with 15,000 calls. So currently cost to cost चल रहा है, and on the Bank Nifty account we have hedged 31,000 put option and 35,000 call option. At the same time we are sitting on a straddle of 33,300. थोड़ा bullish view लिए है. The reason being, reason क्या है? This was a solid resistance 1 2 3 and now market flat open करके ऊपर की तरफ push दिया है. So that's why we have all the reasons to be bullish, and हमारा जो position भी है, it is slightly slightly biased towards the upside. And कभी अभी cost के आसपास चल रहा है. As of now, even Bank Nifty is following the same structure as Nifty. It has given a breakout from the resistance levels, and Nifty IT is looking very strong. HDFC is looking very strong, but Reliance is not showing any strength in particular. And this is kind of a good thing for us, especially for the Nifty straddles, because Reliance being a heavyweight, it's gonna give a lot of stability if it is moving against all other constituent elements. So any further updates, I'm gonna update you. Right now we are cost to cost in both the accounts. What I did is I used this dip to add few quantities to my position. Now the quantities are 3,900 on each side, and currently we have captured close to 3 points. I mean 11k of MTM profits and 3 points of DK. On the Bank Nifty front, we are looking at around 10 points of DK, 10 to 15 points. It's varying. So the thing is, if this pivot gets breached, okay, 14,900 gets breached, all these puts are going to be shifted back to 14,800, and 15,000 calls will be as is, because I don't want to take any call side risk today. And at the same time, if 14,950, or let's say if 14,940 gets breached, then the idea will be to immediately move some of these calls away and also move all these puts to 14,850. So we are looking at around 12k of profits, and that is basically around 3 points of DK. Alright guys, the time is 9:55, and we made one adjustment. We risked off everything from 14,850 puts. Definitely we got a bit of a bad fill, but that's okay. We exited at quite high prices. We exited at 22, and currently it's at 18. Currently it's at 18, and we lost around 2-3 points to slippages, but can't help with that, because we are focusing on taking the risk away. So that's what we are focusing on, and as long as the day's high is not taken out, so this position remains good to hold, and we have collected around 4 points of DK. They have collected around 4 points of DK, and on the Bank Nifty front we are heading nowhere because we are sliding down in Bank Nifty, but we kind of took support at the 20 moving average. If the support holds, Bank Nifty should again test the day's high, and that should propel us higher even in terms of mark to market. Alright guys, the time is 10:15, and as expected the market is showing signs of strength. यहाँ पे जो pivot था उसके ऊपर ही market support लेके it's heading higher. So हम क्या किए हैं, we have shorted some of the puts aggressively, and 14,900 puts पे हम 1,800 quantities है, and 14,850 puts पे 2,100 quantity है, and the calls remain as is at 15,000. And what's happening is the calls are spiking up, the puts are not at all deflating in the value. So that is understandable, because the market still expects rapid selling at some point in time. That's why 14,900 puts are still holding their value. But as long as the market is going higher, and even though the puts are not giving out the value, they will give eventually at some point of time. Okay, एक पॉइंट पे वो इमीडिएटली 3-4 पॉइंट्स निकल जाता है इससे, इन 25 रुपीज से डायरेक्टली 22-21 तक आ जाता है. We just have to hold on to that position. But if at all market starts coming down, let's say 14,930 के नीचे आना शुरू करता है, so basically this has been a good consolidation zone, right? So price action perspective के हिसाब से the market has to head higher, consolidate, and it should head at least up till 914, 950, 960 तक तो जाना चाहिए और एक 10-15 पॉइंट्स तक जाना चाहिए. बट इफ इट सडनली कम्स बैक इनटू दिस रेंज, अगर इस रेंज के अंदर आ जाता है, then our view is negated and we might have to shift again these puts back to 14,850 or we might have to even shift down the calls. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, instead of shifting down the puts, shifting away the puts, I'll be shifting some quantities of these calls to 14,950. 14,950 जो call है 14,950 पे 14,950 call पे मैं लेके आ जाऊंगा. So that's the course of action now. And on the bank nifty end, we have collected around 20 points of decay. Mind you, like we are trading with double the quantities than we usually trade. We trade with usually 3 lots, and today we are trading with 6 lots because of the margin benefits, because we got the hedge at very cheap prices. So we're collecting around 20 points of decay, close to 15 to 20 points of decay. And this position is good to hold because the market is exactly where we want the market to be. Alright guys, the time is 11:20 and मैंने एक और change किया है. Some part of the calls मैंने 14,950 पे लेके आया है. That's because during this down move, these puts were expanding a bit and उसको manage करने के लिए we had to do some damage control, and इसलिए 14,950 calls को थोड़ा नीचे लेके आना पड़ा. And there has been no time decay that has happened for the last 1 hour or so. So having said that, the decay should accelerate from now on, and agar if this 14,950 starts going above like 40 rupees or something, then we are going to short 14,950 put as well, so that we'll get some sort of a benefit. And maybe I think now is the time to sit on 14. Okay, there has been a sudden, okay, we might have to book this. We might have to buy this back. 14,950 call, modify. ठीक है, and we'll add to 15,000 itself. ठीक है. So we kept managing the risk. So, and in that process, of course, there will be some sort of slippage, and that's unavoidable. Anyways, so all the stop losses are intact. And currently, we have collected close to around 5 points of decay, and we look to collect another 10 to 15 points of decay today over the course of the day. And on the bank nifty end, nothing much, absolutely nothing. And bank nifty is kind of halting in a very tight range. So a breakout on either side can be expected at any point of time. And if that happens, an upside breakout will suddenly give us a good profit. But any breakout towards the downside will give us some sort of mark-to-market loss. And the moment bank nifty heads below 33,000, they're going to come out of our position. So that's the hypothesis for now. Alright guys, we are looking at a sudden cascade downwards. So what we did is we completely came out of our positions and we booked somewhere like 17,000 of profits, and these hedges will be there. We're not going to book any of these hedges, and we're going to look at what the market's going to do. And these hedges are not going to give a lot of loss, because even if the market suddenly cascades, this 14,400 put will definitely, it will spike up, and it's not going to give a good amount of loss for us. But in this bank nifty account, so we are going to wait until 33,000 level is going to breach. अगर 33,000 level breach होता है, then we might look at coming out. So the thing is, we still has a support around 32,960, 33,000 levels. Since 33,000 is a psychological level, it should provide some good support for us. But अगर वो support भी breach हो जाता है, then it's okay. We'll take a loss today. Currently, the bank nifty straddle is cost to cost, and even the put hasn't appreciated by that much. So nothing to be worried about. And even in nifty also, we're going to wait and we're going to see the best price to re-enter. So these hedges will stay as is. And Alright, the time is 11:47 and as I said, I have re-entered. That's because ये जो अच्छा green candle बनाया, so that looks like this is going to be a good support. So what we have done is we are sitting on a 14,900 straddle and partly 14,900 950 strangle. So currently we are looking at around 13k of profits, which is close to 4 points of decay, and nothing has been happening much. And on the Bank Nifty front, like we are cost to cost. So any further updates will be updated, guys, because the time is around 12 o'clock and the European markets are about to open in like next half an hour or so, and we might expect some sort of a volatility today. And yes, since the market has been very calm, but the decay has not yet happened, so it's because of that we'll be like very agile, because since we don't have enough profits to give back to the markets, so any spike will definitely push us into a loss today. So we have to be extremely careful. And put side के हमारा stop loss already रखा है मैंने, and it's not far, it's just around 40 rupees. And at the same time, the call side stop loss is not there, and these calls are not at all coming down in spite of the markets coming down. So everyone thinks that there might be a sudden rebound, so that's why these calls are not giving up their values. And Nifty IT has formed some sort of a double top, and it's heading down. And Reliance has been pretty sideways, and HDFC after the big up move in the first 10 minutes in the morning, and now again it's sideways. And Bank Nifty is looking weak, but at the same time it has taken some sort of support at 33,000 levels, since it's a round number. Once this day's low is going to get breached, so we'll be out of the Bank Nifty straddles. So once whatever the current low has been made, wait, I'll just open the chart and show you. Now once this 33,000 level gets breached, if this red candle continues, and if it gets breached, then we'll be out of the position. And at the same time, similarly, if Nifty, let's say if it breaches 14,890 levels or something, so then also we'll be heading out of a position, because these calls are not at all decaying, and these puts are expanding a bit too much. The time is 1:23. Took a couple of positions, a strangle, 14,900 950 strangle, and 15,850 strangle. But since the market is showing some signs of erratic behavior after the market has been silent for the majority of the day, now that the premiums are very less and the gamma moves are ferocious, we don't want to expose ourselves to the gamma moves. And also, since I didn't have a good sleep last night, I don't want to sit on long, so I'm gonna have lunch and I'm gonna sleep now. That's the plan. So that's why I've exited everything. So all the orders, no stop loss orders, nothing. So we have made around 24k, and on the Bank Nifty account we took a minor loss. So we took around $1,000 of loss, but that's okay. We have been making profits on Bank Nifty account day in and day out, so it's okay to take a minor loss once in a while. So overall for the day we made around 24k for the day, and decent outcome. Not so great, but it's fine. So we'll come back tomorrow and we'll start playing with the straddles unhedged. Alright, so this is the end of my trading day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.